Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today's video, let's learn how we can enable or disable the dark mode in our Windows. So first of all, we will have to access settings for that. Come below at the search bar and type in settings. As you do that, you will see settings. Go ahead and launch it. Once you get to a page like this, scroll below and get landed onto personalization. If you do not see it here, you can also search for it at this search box right here. In my case, it is appearing here, so under personalize your device, select browse more backgrounds, colors, and themes. Now in here, again select colors, and you will see choose your mode button. In my case, it is already dark. If you would like, you can go to light mode, which is usually white, or simply go to custom. So if you would like, choose any option that you prefer and it will be toggled on as it is. Once done, this is how easy it is. Thank you for watching.